0 o'clock. Imagine holding a silver box in the palm of your hand that is more powerful than a $3,000 professional workstation. For years, this was a tech enthusiast's dream. It seemed physically impossible. But in 2026, the rules of physics are being rewritten. The tech world is about to be turned upside down. This is the story of the M5 Mac Mini. It is the machine that is officially ending the era of the giant desktop tower. It is being called the Mac Studio Killer, and for the first time in history, that title is actually earned. For over a decade, the Mac Mini had a very specific reputation. It was the budget Mac. It was the cheap option for students or people who just wanted to check emails. It sat quietly in home offices or was tucked away in dark server closets. It was never the star of the show. No one expected it to be a powerhouse. But in late 2024, everything changed with the M4 redesign. It was a warning shot. Now, Apple is ready to drop the hammer. The M5 Mac Mini is not just a yearly update. It is a massive leap forward that has professional video editors and 3D artists freezing their budgets. People are refusing to buy the more expensive Mac Studio models because they know what is coming. They know the M5 is about to destroy the definition of a budget computer. Why is this happening now? Most computers face a massive wall, heat. When chips get powerful, they get hot. To stay cool, they need giant, loud fans and huge power supplies. Apple is doing the opposite. They are shrinking the brain of the computer while making it exponentially stronger. The M5 chip is built on a highly refined 3nm process. This pushes the limits of what silicon can actually do. The headline feature is the graphics power. We are looking at a 45% jump in GPU performance. In the world of tech, a 10% jump is good. A 45% jump is a revolution. If you work with 8,000 video or complex 3D renders, your life is about to change. The tiny Mac Mini is now entering a direct fight with high-end dedicated graphics cards that are 5 times its size, but there is a catch. With this much power, the price tag is finally changing. For years, the Mac Mini was the most affordable way to enter the Apple ecosystem. But those days are ending. Apple is moving its entire production line for the Mac Mini to a state-of-the-art facility in Houston, Texas. This is a historic shift. They are moving away from the Made in China label. While this is great for quality control and avoiding international tariffs, American labor costs are much higher. The $500 Mac Mini is likely dead. We expect the new starting price to be $699 to make this easier to swallow. Apple is finally doubling the base storage to 512 gigabytes. They know they have to give you more if they are charging you more. The real secret behind the M5 isn't just speed. It's artificial intelligence. We are entering the era of desktop AI. Apple Intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. The neural engine in the M5 is rumored to be 4 times faster than the M4. This isn't about making a voice assistant better. It's about real-time generative tasks. Imagine your computer upscaling grainy footage to 4K or generating 3D environments locally. It happens on your desk, not on a cloud server. This means your data stays private. It never leaves the box. Apple wants the M5 Mac Mini to be the literal brain of your home. They want you to have a supercomputer in your living room that handles your life without an internet connection. How do they keep it cool in such a small box? The internal redesign is brilliant. They are using thermal pillars and 2.5D packaging technology. This tech separates the CPU and GPU into different tiles. Instead of one hotspot in the center, the heat is spread across the entire surface. This allows the Mini to run at pro speeds for hours without sounding like a jet engine. You can record a podcast right next to it in total silence. The M5 Pro version is where the Studio Killer nickname comes from. It uses fusion architecture. This tech bonds two pieces of silicon together to act as one. The memory bandwidth is expected to hit 300 gigabytes per second. That is faster than custom gaming rigs that cost $1,000. For gamers, this is finally the moment. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing, this tiny box can run AAA games at high frame rates. It fits in your backpack, but it plays like a console. Even the storage is getting a boost with a new SSD controller that doubles the speed of previous models. We are talking 14 gigabytes per second read speeds. Moving massive files will take seconds, not minutes. Your storage will feel as fast as your RAM. This move to Texas is more than just business. It is a symbol. Apple is signaling that the Mac Mini is no longer a secondary device. It is the centerpiece of their lineup. It is the most efficient use of space and power ever designed. Unless you need 20 different ports, the M5 Mini does everything the Mac Studio does for half the price. It is the undisputed king of the desktop. If you want to know where the future of computing is headed in 2026, look at this silver box. It proves you don't need a giant tower to change the world. It's small, it's loud-mouthed, and it's American-made. The M5 Mac Mini is the future, and the future is finally here. My opinion. The M5 Mac Mini is the most important hardware release of the decade. Apple is effectively democratizing elite performance. By moving production to the US and implementing Fusion architecture, they are creating a product that is both a political and a technological statement. It makes the Mac Studio redundant for almost everyone except the top 1% of users. It is the smartest purchase any creator can make in 2026. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.